Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Excited to be back for another card making Monday with Creative Memories and Monarch Mom DIY. Today I am bringing you the card kit called Simple Sentiments. This, like the other kits, makes 12 different greeting cards, comes with all the instructions, pictures, and written, all the ephemera pieces, even some bonus items, and your really nice quality cards and envelopes. The first thing I like to do is take out all of the ephemera pieces, and they make it so easy for us. They all have a number on the back as well as a letter. So I'm going to speed this up, and the first thing I'm doing is I'm separating on the right anything that is for cards 5 through 12, and then underneath the pile in my hand, I'm putting anything needed for the first 4 cards. I find it easiest to make the cards in sets of 4, so I am, like I said, separating all the ephemera, pulling out what I need for the first 4 cards. And now setting aside the rest, I'm going to take these and make my piles for cards 1 through 4. You'll also notice that the ephemera pieces have letters. That is the order that you're going to apply them to your card. So I showed you the little instructions there for card number 1. It's great because it gives you a picture of what it's supposed to look like and gives you written instructions. You're always going to start with piece A, letter A, and this is usually a full rectangle piece that's going to cover the front of your card. Whether your card will be horizontal or vertical, you're going to start usually with a base piece. Then you're going to go to piece letter B and apply that like you see it in the picture, and keep going until you've used all of the pieces. A lot of times in the kits, whatever wording they show on the example card, there's usually an alternative that you can find in the bonus package of ephemera and stickers. So you usually have a couple options for the wording. Now, here are those bonus ephemera. You can see there's different sayings, and there's the one, it says sincere condolences is the other alternative you could do instead of I love you very much. So it is really nice that even though you're only going to make 12 cards, you do have more options of what you can have your cards say. Now, I'm just going to go through the rest of the cards quickly. I'll put some music to this, and you can see all 12 of these gorgeous cards that you can make for under $2 a card. And there you go. This is cards number 1 through 4, cards 5 through 8, and cards 9 through 12. Thank you guys so much for joining me for this video. Please let me know in the comments if you want to see more card kits, if you want to see other types of creative memories, make and take projects, and here are some other DIY videos you can watch. Until next time, thanks so much and take care.